European Union and NATO, you feel those centrifugal forces pulling at it. To the north, Brexit. Prime Minister Boris Johnson, an avowed Brexiteer. To the south, Italy. Bottom right, you may not recognize Prime Minister of Italy, Monti. He's pulling against Brussels. To the east, we see Poland, we see Hungary leaning away from some of the norms of the European Union. Our political parties cannot achieve reasonable compromise. We have an anger industry that is pulling us apart. We are losing the capacity to negotiate in rational ways, not only between political parties, but even between branches of government. We need to understand and listen to our opponents. Doesn't mean we're going to agree with them. Again, confront where we must, but cooperate where we can. To cooperate, we need to understand. To confront effectively, we need to listen better.